In today's age, when all you can hear on a health channel or read about in health magazines are many ways to lose weight, you would probably notice that there's less information about what methods can suit you the best. Many people focus on fat burning through extensive exercise regimes or calorie cut-down techniques by limiting their intake of carbs. Some decide to do intermittent fasting, while others focus on a particular food type and make it their lifestyle. And yes, this does include your vegetarian and pescatarian friends. In most diet plans, sugar intake is lowered and harmful fatty foods are avoided. However, changing your entire diet plan is easier said than done. It is really difficult to cut out your favorite candies or cravings for fries to take care of your health. If taste is guaranteed in a diet plan, people would be more willing to shift to a healthier diet. If you value taste and want to start a healthier diet, you can include some foods from the Mediterranean diet in your meal plan. In this video, we're going to talk about how incorporating certain foods from the Mediterranean diet can make an amazing difference in your body's overall health. But before we move on to its benefits, let's talk about what exactly is a Mediterranean diet? A Mediterranean diet, as the name implies, is a diet that is common in people that live in countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. So whatever people eat in Italy, Spain, Greece, and other such countries could be a part of this diet. And because of the Mediterranean Sea, you might assume that this diet is purely based on seafood such as fish, shrimp, and crabs, and thus it might feel similar to a pescatarian diet, where people only eat fish meat. But the Mediterranean diet is a bit different. So what does this special diet include that makes it the top pick of millions of people around the world? A Mediterranean diet includes the following 5 food items. Number 5, red meat and sweets. While there is no fixed percentage of how much red meat or sweets can be consumed in a Mediterranean diet, meat and sweets are to be eaten in very few amounts. Some people opt for no meat at all, or they replace red meat with poultry. To satisfy their sweet tooth, people eat fruits instead of sweets and desserts. Number 4, olive oil. While it's not a solid food item, the addition of olive oil to the diet is very popularly associated with a Mediterranean diet. Mostly it is used as a salad dressing that adds a bit of pepper-like taste to the dish, but many people also use it for general cooking. It is a bit more expensive than other cooking oils, but its health benefits outweigh its cost significantly, which is why many people shift to olive oil. Number 3, fish, seafood, poultry, dairy foods, and eggs. In case you are wondering how sufficient protein uptake is managed in a Mediterranean diet, here's your answer. Usually, 20% of the Mediterranean diet contains poultry, fish, or some other kinds of seafood, dairy foods, and eggs that are all super rich sources of protein and help the body function properly. Number 2, vegetables and fruits. Mediterranean diet is essentially a plant-based diet, and thus fruits and vegetables help enrich the diet with the wide range of vitamins and important nutrients they offer. Number 1, whole grains, legumes, beans, and pasta. For people who claim that they can eat pasta all day long, we have some good news. They actually can. 35% of a Mediterranean diet is usually made up from these beans and whole grains. Whole grain bread, beans, and pasta are a very important addition to Mediterranean diets. Not only that, they don't take a lot of time to prepare and are very inexpensive as compared to red meat. These were all important components of the diet, and why you should add them to your diet plan will be clear in a matter of a few minutes. There are so many benefits of taking this diet that it was still regarded best diet for 2023 by US News and World Report in many categories. Why is it so? Because it helps your body to fight off so many diseases and problems in so many different ways, and now we're going to talk about a few of these to help you understand. Mediterranean diet foods can help lower the risks of heart disease. As the Mediterranean diet contains olive oil and nuts that are a source of fats, some people believe that they are not good for heart patients since they are supposed to take less fat. However, the fats in olive oil, fish, and nuts are good fats and can help reduce the problems related to the heart. The PREDIMED study, which included thousands of people with conditions associated with risk factors of heart disease, such as diabetes, consumed olive oil and nuts as their source of fats, and interestingly, the rate of death due to a stroke was decreased by 30%. A Mediterranean diet can also help you have a better digestive system. Since this diet is rich in plant-based nutrients and vitamins, it helps the microbes of the gut maintain a healthy balance. They are responsible for the digestion of food and may get disturbed and cause unwanted reactions in the body. But a Mediterranean diet has been linked to lesser inflammatory responses and benefits for patients with Crohn's disease too. A Mediterranean diet can also boost your brain function. But a stronger commitment to the Mediterranean diet is associated with a lower likelihood of cognitive decline, according to recent studies, which supports the idea that this healthy eating style also safeguards brain health. Moreover, in a study that involved 1865 individuals, some of whom had dementia, it was found that the Mediterranean diet helps with a stronger memory, and many components of the diet were helpful, such as fish and dementia had a negative association. People with type 2 diabetes can help manage their sugar levels better with the help of a Mediterranean diet. Beans contain a good amount of fiber and protein and help keep the blood sugar level in check. People that follow this diet can lose weight and have lower cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels, all of which help control the effects of diabetes. Many studies have also linked incorporating foods of a Mediterranean diet with a lower risk of cancer. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and carotenoids, which have an anti-tumorigenic effect. Fish has omega-3 fatty acids, which lower the rate of growth for tumor cells. The whole diet is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients that help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It has also been linked to reducing the risks of depression in people. As the diet is rich in good nutrients and vitamins, it promotes good brain health. The mental health effects of a Mediterranean diet have also been making highlighted. According to one research conducted in Australia, it reduced the symptoms of depression in men. You might not believe it, but our gut microbes are related to our mental health, and eating legumes can help them maintain their balance inside the gut. Moreover, this plant-based diet is nothing but good news for your skin. Lesser blood sugar levels can help reduce acne. A diet rich in vitamins, antioxidants, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and other minerals can help build a skin layer that is both beautiful and strong. Now that you know the many ways that a Mediterranean diet can boost your overall health, let's talk about how you can take simple steps to start adding Mediterranean diet foods to your daily routine. You can start by making fish, nuts, eggs, and dairy products as the main source of protein. If you feel like your energy levels are low, maybe it's time to cook salmon for dinner. Likewise, if you have a strong sweet tooth and cannot seem to go on without something sweet after dinner, you can replace sugary sweets with fruit slices. Similarly, while watching a movie with friends, you can switch your party-size bag of chips with a bag of your favorite nuts, such as walnuts, almonds, or cashews, which you can keep munching on without having to worry about eating too much sugar. If you can, then use only extra virgin olive oil for cooking your meals. However, keep in mind that overusing it can cause harm as well, but if you use it moderately while preparing your meals, you can get maximum benefits from all the good fats, antioxidants, and vitamins. But since olive oil can be a little expensive for some people, you may choose an alternative way and use it to make salad dressing or to spread over cooked vegetables or other side dishes. Including all these food items in your diet may seem a bit sudden, but there's no need to get overwhelmed. You can take small steps each day and make your diet more Mediterranean-like with time so you reap maximum benefits for your body's health. However, it is important that you know that diet alone can't cure chronic diseases, such as heart problems or dementia. Consulting a doctor before starting a diet is important. If you enjoyed the content of this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you more fun facts to help you keep a better watch over your health.